starting your trip. For safety, we're recording video, but no audio. Let's cruise.
Kind of an interesting route today. Today I'm starting out kind of at the intersection of Van Ness and Market, where there's a lot of one-ways, a lot of kind of weird roads. And so, yeah, hopefully we'll get to see some maneuvers that maybe we haven't seen in the past. We're going to drive on 13th Street, which I've done a couple times, but I don't think I've made a video of this before. And then there's a Lyft level 5 car that just passed in front of us. The current route is actually going to pass by the Zoox garage, so actually let me just change the destination there. We can visit Zoox in a cruise.
Heading to new destination. We're arriving soon. Please stay buckled up until we stop and grab all your things.
Oh, what are we doing? We got an... Huh, that was weird. There was an ambulance behind us, but we decided to nudge left. Anyway. Let's see what's going on at Zoox today. Oh, it's kind of a janky pullover. Not much going on
here. Check for bikes and cars as you exit on the sidewalk side.
I guess
for riding with Cruise.
looks like one of their newer vehicles that we've pulled in front of. Older vehicle driving in front of us. That's about it. We'll stop blocking their driveway and put in my original destination.
Heading to new destination.
So the car's received a new destination and it's put on the left blinker, but hopefully we're not stuck here. Hey, sorry, yeah, I think it's just slow. It's moving now. All right. Yeah, hopefully not too much of an interruption to their work day or night or whatever. Kind of slow to get into this turn lane, but there's no one behind us, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, now we're speeding up. Okay. Oh, hey, is that a Zoox in front of us? Yeah, it looks like one of their newer cars. Alright, come on, let's get up to the line. Interesting left lane change in the intersection. I guess the lane to the left of us before the intersection was a turn lane, so maybe that's why they thought it was legal. But yeah, still kind of a weird way to map it, in my opinion. Like, you would think it would be just overall better for the car to wait until it's through the intersection and then make that turn. Okay, forced merge here. Pretty good. Yeah, there's like a car. I guess I wish I had a camera pointing out back for that, but yeah, there was a car in front and a car behind, and we kind of just kind of squeezed in there when we could have just let everyone go ahead of us, which would be like less comfortable and less efficient, but definitely the easier option out, or the easier way out. Update, slightly move the destination pin a bit.
Heading to new destination.
We got a left turn here. It's a four-way stop with oh, kind of weird. Okay. four-way stop with oncoming. I kind of picked like the bumpiest roads in this neighborhood for this route. There's a pedestrian in the beginning of the crosswalk. We're gonna decide to go. So one thing I like about Dejaro is that it's a very wide street, and usually by this time of night, it's like a pretty commercial area, so there's not too many, if any, cars parked. So cruise really opens up and yeah, kind of hits the accelerator like a human would. So yeah, like we're gonna be pretty peppy. I think we'll hit the full 25 on this road. 23, come on. Oh, okay, maybe not. I think if those cars weren't parked there, okay, now we hit 25. Then like, yeah, I think we would have hit 25 back there without those parked cars. Don't know why we decided to take 18th again today. 17th Street, which is one block north of here, is probably like equally residential, and it has fewer stop signs and does not have these speed bumps that we go like, 7 or 8 miles per hour over. I don't think cruise like definitely prefers 17th or 18th, because I've seen it do both depending on the day. But lately it's been kind of doing 18th more, so I wonder if something changed in the routing.
We're arriving soon. Please stay buckled up until we stop and grab all your things.
pretty good. I think we were pretty assertive with the pedestrian who's standing pretty close to us in the street. Now we're gonna pull over. Like, can we fit into this spot? Survey says no.
Check for bikes and cars as you exit on the sidewalk side. Thanks for riding with Cruise.